Hey there, we're in my kitchen today and I want to take just a moment to show you this brand new Session Ace Shine cymbal cleaner. Show you how it works, show you how to use it, show how it can bring your cymbals back to life. Let's give one a shot. So I'm just gonna spray this Session Ace Shine all over this cymbal. You'll notice I'm not too worried about it getting everywhere. You're not gonna damage anything around it really by spraying this solution. Now what you'll want to do is let the solution sit there for 30 to 60 seconds. Now depending on how much dirt and gunk and grime are on your cymbal, you may not have to scrub at all. Now without any scrubbing at all on this first pass, I'm just going to turn on some very, very hot water and we're just going to rinse the cymbal in the sink. I haven't cleaned this cymbal in probably, I don't know, 15, 20 years maybe. And you can see immediately all of the dirt and the gunk and the grime have come off of this cymbal. Now there may be a few spots here and there that you'll see where maybe there's some embedded dirt that if I run my finger along there, I can kind of get that off. One of the things that you can do is do a second pass with this solution on your cymbal. Take some sort of mildly abrasive object. I like this glove. It's made out of sort of a plasticky textured material. It's not anything that's going to scar up the cymbal. It really is just to have a little bit of a texture to work against with the cleaner. And then I can just work my fingers around the cymbal. If you don't want to take the logos off, one of the reasons why I love this glove is that you can get in and around the logo with your scrubbing finger and not touch any of the writing. Take another few seconds just to rub around the cymbal, get any spots that may look like a problem. Really take the textured surface and just rub the cleaner into the cymbal. And then, same thing. I'm gonna rinse it off with some really, really hot water. So once you're done, you're done. Take some sort of lint-free towel and just dry the cymbal off really, really well. Fingerprints, dirt, grime, 99% of the gunk that's keeping your cymbal from sounding bright, shiny, shimmery, with plenty of sustain. All taken care of now with the Session Ace Shine Cymbal Cleaner.